destroys the night. Night divides the day. Try to run, try to hide. We're gonna do to the other side. We're gonna do to the other side. We're gonna do to the other side, yeah. We chased our pleasures here, dug our treasures there. But can we still recall the time we cried? We're gonna do to the other side. We're gonna do to the other side.
Wow. Oh my God. You know, although I don't do a whole lot of talking there, and each I like to just let you check it out, let you figure out what it is. My prior video, March 5th, convinced that it was fabric of space and time. Okay, this, tell you what, there's a website run by NASA. It's called WOAA. It's got every single electromagnetic, cosmic, solar, particle, ray, it don't matter. If it's a frequency, a vibration, or a particle, it's measuring it coming from space. If you go there today, on March 27th, and you look up the solar flares, granular ejections, my phone's been going in and out all day. Okay? Just saying. Go there and check it out for yourselves. Don't believe me. Fuck, be really retarded. Don't even believe your own eyes. And go check it out. Because I can sit here and tell you something all day long. You're either going to resonate with it or you're not, so. This is off the chart of wildness. So, you call it God, you call it source, you call it creator, you call it whatever you want. People, it's trying to get our attention. And if you do not give it your attention, wake up and roll with it, well, if you're watching this video, you already know. If you don't, you're going to end up in a nut bag freaking hell on earth. So go ahead and keep resisting. And don't let me know how that works out for you. You know? I'll give you this much. My ears have been ringing non-stop since last March. An entire year. I live with it. I embrace it. I've become to love it. Because I know what it is now. Used to be my left ear only. Then it was a little bit in the right. Now they both sing right in harmony. Right now, I can't even describe it. It's almost deafening. My imagination? I think not. Look at that. Really? Wow. Alright, folks, I'm going to stop this one here and start another one. A friend of mine's calling. I think she needs some help. Sup, Trish? Call you in a minute. Hey, and I'll start the other one right back here. We'll see what's going on with that. Just to prove any naysayers. Look at that. Really? Bam! Wake the fuck up, people! Hey, look at there where the only one chemtrail is. Oh my god. Alright. Bam.